So from the previous video, we know that MAC addresses are used so that they ensure each packet goes into the right direction. So it goes from the source to the destination MAC, which is specified in the packet. So if the MAC address is used to make sure that each packet gets delivered to the right person, how can we capture it? Because I said in the first video, I said we can sniff those packets, capture them, and read all the information that is in these packets. Now, if we're going to do that, how can we do that if each packet is actually delivered to one person? Well, MAC address does ensures that each packet is sent to the right person, but that's only when your wireless card is working in the default mode, which is the managed mode. So in managed mode, your wireless card will only capture packets that are sent to it. It will only capture packets that have the destination MAC as your own MAC address. So let's say this again. In managed mode, in your default mode, your wireless card will only capture packets that are sent to your device. Now there is another mode called the monitor mode, and this mode allows us to capture any packet that is in our Wi-Fi range. Whether the packet is directed to our device or not, we will be able to capture it anyway. As long as it's within our Wi-Fi range, we will be able to capture it. So enabling monitor mode is very simple. We're going to use a tool called AirmonNG, which is part of the AirCrack-NG suite. Let's see how we do this. First, I'm going to disable my Wi-Fi card again, same way we did it when we were changing the MAC address. So it's just ifconfig LAN 0 down to disable it. Then we're going to use AirmonNG to enable monitor mode. AirmonNG. If you actually just type in AirmonNG, it will show you the available wireless cards, and you can see I only have LAN 0. So I can say AirmonNG start LAN 0. And basically when I say start LAN 0, I mean enable monitor mode on LAN 0. So Airmon created a new virtual wireless card called Mon0. So now we have LAN 0, we have two wireless cards. So if I type in AirmonNG, you can see that I have two wireless cards. I have LAN 0, which is my actual physical wireless card. Mon0 is just a virtual wireless card created by AirmonNG, and it has monitor mode enabled on it. So now if we go ifconfig LAN 0, so now if we go actually iwconfig LAN 0, you'll see that it's in managed mode. And if I go to iwconfig, you'll see that Mon0 in monitor mode. So the card that we're going to be using now when we are not connected to any networks, and all the attacks that we're going to use now, we're going to use Mon0 because it's in monitor mode, and this mode allows us to capture any packet that is within our Wi-Fi range, even if the packet is not directed to our device. Now, if you want to stop monitor mode for any reason, all you have to do is just type in AirmonNG stop Mon0. So Mon0 is the card that has monitor mode enabled on it, and I can stop it using this command. So as you can see here, it says removed. So if I type in AirmonNG, I'll only see LAN 0 again.